Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find App Management. Sorry, that was a misclick. App Management. Here let's go to Special App Access, and at the very top we've got the option Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. All we have to do now is to simply find the Chrome and tap on this switcher next to allow from this source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually your whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Not only the apps, but also the source, because, for example, if I would like to download something from the browser, obviously the browser is verified, however, a specific website and specific file is not. So this is how it works. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and if you wish, you can turn off or you can remove previously granted permission. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And now your device will, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.